Welcome to the tutorial for adding shadows to your character. Character shadows allows for seamless blending into the scene and also adds depth perspective for the viewer to focus on. There are two types of shadows we will be looking at: reflective surface and non-reflective surface. Let's start by looking at reflective surface shadows. Start by inserting your character to the backdrop that has a reflective surface. Now let's duplicate the character. Rotate the duplicated character 180 degrees. Position the rotated character at the bottom of the character's feet. Proceed to flip the rotated character horizontally. Rotate and align the feet from tip to tip. Different characters will present with either even or slightly elevated feet positions. Now reduce the transparency of the rotated character to between 30 and 40%. And there you have it, a character seamlessly blended into a reflective surface environment. Now, let's look at non-reflective shadows. Insert your uploaded character into the non-reflective backdrop. Resize the character to your desired size and choose the specific placement within the backdrop. Once you're happy with the placement, search for Shadow in the Elements tab within Canva. Select a similar type shadow as shown in the example. Overlay the shadow slightly over the feet, with it predominantly being on the surface below the feet. In our next lesson, we will be looking at adding elements to backdrops and characters and how it can elevate your designs. See you in the next one.